Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to order and activate a Bluevine debit card. It's going to be a quick video. Just got 6 simple steps for you guys to follow to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is from the main menu, go to settings. So of course, you're going to need to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. And once you've done that, from the main menu, just go to settings and then select debit card. Next, if you haven't ordered one yet, just tap request card and then confirm your mailing address, and Bluevine will ship your card to you within 7 to 10 business days. Next step, once your card arrives, log back into Bluevine, go to debit card and then select activate. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your card number and the CVV code from the back. Then you're going to create your personal PIN for ATM withdrawals. Final step is to test the activation by making a small purchase or checking your balance at an ATM. Your Bluevine debit card is now ready for everyday business spendings, for online purchases, and of course for ATM withdrawals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.